The role of strategy of AKSD Ltd is to enhance continuously the position of environmental and waste management of Romania had attained. In the interest of that, we founded AKSD Romania Ltd as well as Northwest Project Ltd, which is the subsidiary company of AKSD Romania Ltd. The major activity of them is the complicated management of different hazardous wastes, including preliminary examination, collection, transportation, and disposal equally. The Medical Waste Management Project. The center of company management and our activity of medical waste disinfection is the industrial park in Maros County, where we make medical waste harmless in industrial surroundings and far away from residential area. The industrial park can be found beside the civil airport of Marosvásárhely. It can be approached straight from Road E60. Technological equipment, social rooms and offices had been located in two-storied hall with more than 600 square meter basic area. For the service of all circles of partners, we have high-level case maps in the respect of collection, transportation and disposal of medical infectious waste, including surgeries, different medical special institutions, clinics and the greatest hospitals equally. In the course of our activity, we deploy and operate such technologies with the consequent observation of European standards and national rules, which have outstanding standard in terms both of environmental protection and economic efficiency. Consequently, we offer secure and competitive alternative for our partners. We are available to accomplish the optimal collection and transportation with vehicles with different size and capacity. Our vehicles have the necessary permissions and equipment to the specifications of ADR. Preparedness of coordinating colleagues of transportation and drivers as well as motor vehicles having great technical conditions have guaranteed together to offer qualitative service for our partners. For our customers, we provide the necessary and special collecting instruments, storage tanks with ADR qualification on demand for waste collection. They possess containers like mobile, movable by hand and chilled, with which the temporary storage of originating waste could have been resolvable hygienically on the area of institutions and can help to create secure working conditions for our customers. The incoming waste will be placed in 120 steel refrigerators after weighing, where waste has stored in 0-degree temperature. We transport the anatomical waste delivered from our partners to hazardous waste incinerators with our own vehicles, whereas we make 95% of waste harmless in our own company seat. Disposal technology used by ourselves has been practiced in more countries in Europe, like this in France and Germany. The aim of the technology is to win localizable, unconventional landfill and harmless material as a result of the treatment from infectious waste. On the first step of disinfection period, the waste gets to a closed pressure vessel, which will reopen after disinfection. After filling, waste will be homogenized. In the course of homogenization, waste will be chopped up to 2 multiplied by 2 cm size inside the grinder in the interest of the maximum efficiency of disinfection. After chopping up, the material will be sterilized with infiltration stream on 3.8 bar pressure and on 138-degree temperature. The course of proceeding has been controlled by computer. Human intervention has not been happened on the cycle. Automatic control ensures the safe execution of disinfection as well as the documentation of parameters of management, which assures the effective possession of cycle and allows to court review for the authorities. The disinfecting equipment is able to manage 1,200 tons medical waste per year with continuous operation. After disinfection cycle, treated material will be emptied to waste containers. After that, we transport treated material with waste vehicle of transport to EU-conform communal waste landfill site authorized appropriate. We have used modern instruments and materials for the continuous grooming and disinfecting of second-hand tools and workspace. Thus, we ensure secure surroundings, both our colleague and our suppliers, in our company suite. On the complete process, safety, documentation and efficiency are essential expectations. In the interest of achieving those purposes, we have required skills, software in waste takeover, transportation, and for the waiting and out-transportation of disposal waste, and we hand over the certificate is made of paying. Integrated software has managed the complete logistical process from the handing out of delivery task over the recording of fulfillment to the invoicing. Beyond compulsory permissions, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS certificates prove the compliance for requirements of qualitative, environmental and labor hygiene. We have the conviction that international experiences, practice of effective and secure technologies, and qualified and committed colleagues assure the gather of high-class service to our customers.